be hungry to be in this. We highlighted a number of things. I'm just going to be quick. So the problem about the church today is that there is knowledge in the church. Ulwazi khona, but doing or action is lacking. The Bible says, according to James chapter 1, verses number 22, it says, be ye doers of the word. Don't be just hearers of the word. Be ye doers of the word. Ningabe ngabalizwayo kuphela izwi, but iba ningabalenzayo izwi. And we know what is expected of us. We highlighted or reflected a little bit on the children of Israel. We reflected on the book of Exodus chapter 17, verses number 1 and 2, that they were given graze lands where they would head their sheep and their flock to go graze and make sure that it becomes incumbent on each and every one of them to provide water for their flock. And Moses is crying, according to Exodus chapter 17, it's a strange thing that you guys come to me nizongifuna amanzi. And then yazi ukuthi ninezimvu neyinkomo ekumele nenzisho ukuthi niyaziprovide amanzi. So it is surprising that you would come to me and expect me to provide for you water. And uNkulunkulu menzela indlela ukuthi kutholakala amanzi ehlane. uNkulunkulu uyayenza indlela bayawathola amanzi. And sakuveza ukuthi amanzi, the reason why it was a concern for them, it's because it is a source of life. About 90% of your organs in the body are thriving on water, and they give life. And Moses is saying, you cannot be expecting me to be the sustainer of your lives. You ought to take it upon yourselves to make sure that you wake up in the morning and you go source water for your flock. And I've learned, I think it is the same problem we have in South Africa. You find people that are complaining, waiting for houses, saying, we don't know, why would the government do this to us? We've been waiting for houses since 1996 in our first registrations, and to date, we have not gotten our houses. And it isn't strange, you'd find people that are supposed to be going out there and making sure they pitch up whatever they pitch up in the available state lands that the state is providing for them, and they will be waiting for years and years and years until they turn gray, because they are waiting for another hand to come in. And therefore Moses is actually addressing that to the children of Israel to say, guys, anizange niphume nilambatha eGibhithe, naphuma nenkomo, naphuma nama-needle bow, naphuma nezimvu zenu. It is therefore incumbent upon you to make sure what you provide that which your livestock needs for the survival in the midst and the cause of the journey. And you begin to hear them make address Israel at that level when they start referring him to Egypt. It tells you about their hunger. They were not hungry enough to be in this, because had they been hungry enough in this, they would not necessitate a reference, Egypt, to Moses. They would not do that. It tells you they were actually hungry for their spot that they had left behind. And they would remind Moses, they were never hungry to be in that. And it was their hunger to be in what God was doing at the time that was going to launch them in their destiny. It just needed that hunger. I have gotten to learn, Pastor T, you are not going to get the attendance that you're expecting from the members of the church until they are showing the hunger to be in this. The people that are carrying and running with this thing should be at a place where they show the hunger to be in it. I've gotten to learn in my walk with God that uNkulunkulu has brought people that I can trust around me. People that I know, they can even chop your head off if you were going to say anything bad about me, or find yourself doing things that is flying at a tangent. And I have taken time to look into them, and I have learned, Uguti, the reason why they have such a drive, it's not because they have a drive into me as a person, but they are so hungry for the success of the vision and the assignment that God has given us. And this is what we actually need for God to launch us into our destiny, is to be so hungry to be in this. I have seen umfana wenyawupe oyipara. Ayikho into emstophayo mungabe indlala yenyawupe imfikela. Ayikho into emstophayo. Ungamenza noma ngabe yini, umqoshe endlini abuye, and makabuya angangena ngembobo encane just ukuthi aphume e-TV kuleyo mbobo encane, because he is so hungry to be in it. Indlala anayo iyona emdrivayo. You'll be shocked that indlala anayo imenza ukuthi angawi noma lele, ulala amile ayede noma sekathi uyaphinda abuye, because he's so hungry to be in it. And indlala anayo imenza ukuthi kungabi na nix that is invincible, kungabi na nix that can stand against them. So you need to be so hungry to be in the esteem of God that nothing can ever be able to stop you. That is driving you. Against all odds. That is driving you to your destiny. So what I say when I say you are not hungry enough to be in this. That's why because indlala yenu ayikho enough, and as such you are not going to make it. And because they are hungry enough to be in this. As such, they always made reference back to Egypt, and they said than into what God was doing. That's why bakhumbula ama-pomegranates, bekade bekhumbula ama-onions, bakhumbula ama-cabbage asegibhithe bekade amakhulu, noma uNkulunkulu abathembisa amabhanana wasekanana bekade bemrefera to ama-apula wasegibhithe, because indlala yabo was never what God was doing. And inkinga ukushela uhambo nabantu who are not hungry enough to be in this thing. It's the reason why you end up finding people shooting something that is flying out their tangent, and you start thinking and wondering, what do you belong? Because the matter in which you are flying is not a representation of who we are. It's not a representation of who we are. Enough to be in this. I mean, how they express themselves, how they are flying, you can tell it is a very good takeoff, but the flight is not a representation of who we are. People are never hungry enough. Once what you find is going down, could not mangabe uzong referra ekipit, puma la shoni kipit. Mangabe kunebandla ucabanga ukuthi lingcono, mangabe kunebandla ucabanga ukuthi lingcono, elenza kangcono kunebandla okhonza kulo. Because no kunebandla ucabanga ukuthi lingcono kunebandla okhonza kulo. Uzoba nenkinga ngezinto ezenziwe ebandleni okhonza kulo, because alenze izinto zale bandla ucabanga ukuthi kube yile lingcono. So the problem ukuthi once you have a different reference, it shows your hunger. Where is your hunger situated? And if your hunger is not big enough to be in what God is doing in this, forget about your destiny. Sibanenkinga mkhethela ukuthi sihamba nabantu ngoba uhambele umuntu actually ngefaith athi yaze finish nabayenzi so. Hayi mangale manje. Bathanda sizosuma sizothandazela abantwana sothandazela abantwana bethu kwasa. No, effect mission before thandazela abantwana bayashumayela bayenze altar khona umntana wakho uyasindiswa kanjani mayumthandazelana. Impela isonto ungale why these people are questioning what we do at church, and they always refer us because indlala yabo is not into what God is doing in this present day. So mawubona ukuthi kungcono ukuthi mawubona ukuthi kungcono ukuba sekiphithi ukunokuba kulento uNkulunkulu ayenzayo phuma la ubuyele eGibhithe. Mawunebantu cabanga ukuthi lenza kangcono than the prosperous iyakhona ngoba sizoba nenkinga zokunyathela ozwaneni because ucabanga ukuthi asenzi kahle. And isizathu sakho ukuthi your point or your place of reference is disorientated. Yeah. So yeah, almost again, he's saying you guys are not hungry enough. Your hunger should be, it should be your hunger that is driving you to your destiny. You are not hungry enough. You know, when you are going to be wasted in the wilderness and never make it to your destiny. You must be prepared to die until you leave. You must be prepared to die until you leave. If you are not prepared to die until you leave, you are not even worthy of your destiny. You are not hungry enough if you are not prepared to die and just expect life to be given. You can never expect life to just be given if you are not prepared to die. For the sake of for me to see my life in them, I must be prepared to live my life now. I'm not in there. I'm not in there. Now, what I found Mama Dave, and see if I can get that. The reason why they don't talk about the is because who talk about the fun in chicken pox. Who talk about the transmissible. They got who talk about what was the transmitter. Mogotoshana nise izinchoncho zamehlo nomuntu ngizobathi. Into ezokuthi wonke umuntu onothoba leyo ngaphandle akusukuthi bazo interact nabantu abathela uqobo. Ukuthi uqobo lu transmittable meaning mangabe uyakwazi ukuthi uhlanganisa amehlo wakho izinchoncho ngezinchoncho. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngicontract uqobo ubhekana wakho. That's why bekade ba decide ukuthi wonke umuntu onothoba akhishwe ngaphandle. Hayi ngoba masingathintana sithelelana. Ukuthintana was understatement, it was secondary. But primarily, manhamba funeka ngihambe ngenze show ukuthi asihlangani amehlo namehlo because uma ngabe amehlo ethu angahlangana manjonjo kusho ukuthi sengitransmithile isifo sabo. Before long I will begin to see my skin changing. Ngaleso sizathu abantu abakade banoqobo bekade bakhishwa babekelwe ngaphandle because uqobo bekade kuheavy level ye-outbreak yoqobo bekaphinde ukuthi umthintile umthintela uthintela khona but uqobo kuliza ngokuthi umbheka kanani sahlanganisa amehlo mangenzeka amehlo wakho ahlangane newami sengicontractile njalo. Soon after that I will begin to see my skin taking shape. Because it says that because the like is some and it says and it says the tested to die. All common respect, and the man city and see a product. Aram in there will see, and it says that they to reason amongst one another. And they said, guys, we are not prepared to live if we are not prepared to die. So, Masisuye, Bambala, that's season. Masisuye, Majasinga, anyway, because Mama was in game. Listen at this Yakalana she's on fire anyway. So we must be prepared to die for to live. You are so not prepared to live if you're not prepared to die. Let's about this side. I think they come. But let's put it in the fire. Because no matter what, is so far. And it says on their way. Because the land who are prepared to die, who are going to see the life of Christ. Cause doesn't be long if you are prepared to live your life down for it. So what's what from people if you're not prepared to die? Couldn't you be equal and city? Ilikuwa mchana wa kusufa, disemusha ndinganishe, katikabo diapila futi, ngishima wala. If you are willing to see life, forget about living. If you are not prepared to lay your life bare, the people that are going to see and be launched in their destiny are a group of people who are prepared to die for them to live. That's why it's kind of never spare them. Who just not babysitter man? That's worse. Who babysitter man? That worse. Who not man? They will not babysit. But what can a man say? Who will not by now? But we live in inventory. And if they are not willing to watch, we are cannot afford to wait for them. If you are not prepared to lay your life bare, you must not forget about living. Kabo ngiyaphinda futhi ngishilo umzimba wodwa la. Bese bafana bese mangene ekhaya sizofa. Yathi ngibabili ama-anama mabenza kuza impilo lithi badisappear abasana and they fled for their lives. And it says befika labafana bengene ekhaya lama-Aramu. It says befika bathola spoil for 3 days. Worth of gold, worth of earrings, worth of pearls, worth of money and of food. And they lived. And they lived. As they were walking towards the camp, it says, was being infused into them. As they were making an approach to each camp, they were willing to die for them to live. Excuse me. You just go reflect on what you're talking about. 2 Kings chapter 7, verse 3. You definitely must be prepared to die for you to live. Now, there should be a hunger for you to live it. This is a very subject today. Isiqalekiso sokungayilambeli into kaNkulunkulu enough sizobangela ukuthi impilo yakho ibe wasted in the cause of the journey. Into yasustaina uJoshua noCaleb yindlala bebanayo ngezwe uNkulunkulu abathembise lona. They were into it. That's why noma sekunikezwa i-report ithi ngikusize manje. I-report abayilethayo lapha ukuthi abantu balapha kulelazo sibabonile nezithelo zakhona zikhona zinjalo zona. Kodwa inkinga abantu ngoba nabantu bakhona bafuna nezithelo zabo. Bayidlakela. And uma ngabe sibuka nathi siyesasibona sizintethe. Saba kanjalo nasemehlweni abo ithi ngimsize manje. I-report abayilethayo bekungasiyamanga vele abantu baseKhanani bekamajayini. Iqiniso vele ukuthi abantu baseKhanani bekamajayini, they did not lie. But what caused their lives to be wasted in the middle of the journey was the fact that they were not hungry enough. uJoshua noCaleb bathi nebephendula kuMose bathi baqinisile sibabonile abantu bakhona. Kodwa masibabuka sibuka uNkulunkulu wethu sesamfumana uNkulunkulu emkhulu kunabo. Bazowana kanjalo naphambi kwethu. Sizolidla izwe elivame kakhulu ngoju nenyosi. lead was the fact that they were so hungry for the land, as per the promises of God. Nithi mina, indlala yakho yeGibhithe lakho yona ezoba yimbangela of your life being wasted in the course of the journey. Manje mkhethana asikwazi ukungahamba nabantu abazophela endleleni. Yikho uJesu mekethandaza ukuthi baba ngiyabonga ukuthi nalampo enginikeze bona ngiluzanga nanomninyane wabo. Uthi ngibonga ukuthi zingishayela izinto njengawa ngavuka. But when I look around I realize ukuthi lampo enginikeze bona ngisagijima ngabo namhlanje. Because I can't afford to be in a journey with a person that's going to be wasted in the course of the journey. And indlela yakho of being into this, inkinga ukuthi sihamba nabantu abangayilandelanga lento. Siyabathandazela siyabafika kodwa bomele into yase next door. That's why they never even coach up their past. Unabantu abangamcoach umfundisi wabo. Unabantu abadecide to coach abafundisi abangabasi. Unabantu abadecide to coach abafundisi bama-social media. They would never even coach their pastor. They never even take time to sit down, no subscriber in the YouTube channel, sit down and expose themselves to the teachings of their pastor because they're not hungry enough to be in this. Sinenkinga sapha nabantu who are not hungry for this. Sithandazela abantu who are not hungry for this. Sikhipha imali sondla abantu who are not hungry for this. And therefore, their lives are going to be wasted in the course of the journey. Mangabe ucabanga ukuthi uthi DJ kusungcono, hambe Potter's house. Hamba a Potter's house. Makona mfundisi wa social media ucabanga ukuthi ungcono, hamba kuye. Wena mnenkinga yabantu abathandazelwa yimara ababhizi nabafundisi base-America. Anginankinga nizwa anginankinga ukuthi nje inkosi ingiphathisile lento. Kunento engiyaziyo ngami ukuthi inkosi inginikile lento. I want to know about it. You can't take it from me because God has given me this thing. You can paint it back. You can do whatever you want to do with it, but God has given me this. I'm not even expecting you to match it with any pastor on social media platforms. God has given me this, and this is what I dish. That I spent sleepless nights in preparation, praying. I come here, I live here at 12, I live here at 11 o'clock, crying and calling upon God to make sure that your life sees the goodness of the Lord right in the land of the living. But I'm working with a group of people who are not hungry for this. Hambe America. Mamelanga bathandekayo. We can only be able to address the subject of hunger to be in this from a place of marriage because mina now is shadile. Ephesians chapter 4:10 to 22. Let's Bible, for he who descended is the one that ascended and gave some to apostles, prophets, pastors, evangelists, pastors, and teachers. Sati pastors, because we relationship yomshado mina nani shadile, mina nani sishadile saveza ukuthi Can you quickly read for me, Mahlawe, ngizovala manje? 1 Corinthians chapter 7, verses number 34. Funda ngale Bible lakho. Yeah, ngale Bible lakho leli. Mavi yazi umose yini into yamenza ukuthi alahlekelwe izwa lonke. Bekade angenayo vele. Yo. Cabanga ndoda sihluleke ukwenza iprogress thenulo because abantu esihamba nabasinabo vele. Imagine uma uhamba nabantu ndoda. Labantu laba bekade baseGibhithe for 340 years. 320 years or 325 years in Egypt. You can say between 325 to 330 years. Basekipit, 430 years, sorry. Uhamba nabantu abashade neGibhithe. At the back of his head, he's thinking, I am heading a host of God. Kodwa kahle kahle abantu ahamba nabo, abantu angenabo vele. Uma ngale mavi after 25 years in ministry run, kufika abantu abasha, isihlangane izinto. Abantu besama nabo the entire 15 years. No, labantu, they were working you out of the system. They were never with you even in the first place. Even in their prayer life, you are never mentioned. Not even once. They pray for the people they don't even know. You were working with them for the past 15 years. They were never in the game even to start with. No wonder why we never saw progress. You know, the group of people, they spend 40 days and get into the land that flowed with milk and honey. But for 40 years, they are doing the same thing over and over in the wilderness because they were never in the game even to start with. And but I'm not saying these things boastful, you know? But I keep imali yami like packaging for you guys. I take my money out. Over and above, I even go to an extent of taking even my petrol money. Why do you do that? It's because mina nani. Suki arrangement yomshado. Imagine ngishade nawe mara wena ukho. One day sigibela kwi-balcony yasezulwini elithi iBhayibheli according to Isaiah chapter 14 sizoma kwi-balcony yazulwini masibheka phansi sibone izidumbu zabantu ngithi anani nilapho ufike kanjani lapho ngoba mina you were here. Why identify izidumbu zenu? Because I'll tell you what, only one stroke of disobedience can cost you your entire destiny. You must be so hungry enough to be in this for you to make it to your destiny. Bheka la nesikhathi asikho. Nesikhathi asikho and ngifuna ukushaya ngale nto ngihambe ngiyivale namhlanje. Angifuni ukuyikhuluma next week. Shaya masinyane lapho Hlabasi. Chapter 7, read from verses number 34. Or Pastor T, can you do Ephesians for Mhlambe before Pastor Hlabasi? Can you do Ephesians chapter 4? Do for me verses number 10 to verses number 12 quickly. Ephesians chapter 4. Immediately makaqeda ukufunda Hlabasi and then you quickly do 1 Corinthians chapter 7, 34. Shayan Masnya. Chapter 4, read from verses number 10 to 12.
Verse number 10 to the rest of. He who descended, also the one who ascended,
yes,
far above all the heavens,
sure,
that he might fill all things.
Sure.
And he himself gave some to be apostles.
No, number one, the first ones that he gave some to be is apostles, yes.
Some to be prophets.
Number two, it's prophets, it's the pointing finger, yes.
Some to be evangelists.
And then the middle finger, evangelist, yes, right?
And some to be pastors.
And then pastors is the ring finger. Pastors is the ring finger, yes.
And teachers.
And then teachers is the index. So pastors are the thumb finger. You can sit down. And the reason why pastors are the thumb finger, it's because we can only be able to arrange or address this from an institute of marriage, from a marital point of things. So because Tina Sinan is shadid. It determine your humble am now. Ukuthi lizoba njani, ukuthi arrangement yomshado wethu njani. Angeke nize ningizwe. That's why lithi iBhayibheli siphile insukwini la khona abafazi abayi7 bazoza endodeni eyodwa bathi sishade kodwa ungasenzeli next sinemali yethu sinemoto zethu sozenzela noma so meaning we are not going to dictate how we live kodwa sifuna ukushada wena. sishade kodwa sinemali yethu, sinemoto zethu, sinayo yonke into yethu. Into esiyifunayo sifuna ukubizwa ngegama lakho, sifuna ukuthi nabe sibuza bathi mkhonza, sithi sikhonza Prosperous, mara ungasitsheli ukuthi senzeni. Uhamba nabantu abanjalo, sihamba nabesifazana abayi-7 abadicide ukushada, kodwa kule arrangement angeke nisangizwa manje. Sinabantu abayi-7 abadicide ukushada bazosubmitha la, mara bafuna ukuphila impilo yabo ngama-terms wabo. People are just going to be wasted in the cause of the church. Nina nani sisemshadweni ngisho. He says he gave some to the apostles, prophets, evangelists, pastors. Ilapha abashadeni ebandla. He says abayi-7 abazoza bethi sishade, asinankinga sishade. That's why uthola kunabantu bafowethu. That's why kunale level ye-rebellion. That's why kune level ye-rebellion. Unokhala phansi umamele. Yazi mina phela niyangazi ngopharetha kanjani. Nokunikeza opportunity ngihlale phansi. Ungacabanga ukuthi mangihlala phansi nje ngisemoyeni ngimamele. uPaul uthi ngibonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi yimi engikhuluma ngilimi kundlwana ke, meaning masithandaza ngelimi nginokuthula ngizwe ukuthi usesekhona othandaza ngelimi. Mangikhona ukuthi usesekhona othandaza ngiqale phansi ngibubule kakhulu ngelimi until wonke umuntu angasathandaza ngelimi kube yini, ngoba mangithandaza ngelimi ngapha ngisemoyeni, ngapha ngimamela. Ngiyamamela mina ukuthi ngikhuluma kanjani, ngiyamamela. Mina ngirealize ukuthi esalo umuntu udlalela ithi mina engayazi lo ngendlela akhuluma ngayo ngiyazi ukuthi mayidlalelayo. The interpretation of the verse wrong is skewed because this is not the right one. And if the last which is right to it, the last one consultant with the name of address is subject so he addressed the answer. You can't my man move into fly at a tangent. Because we saw but we are in a marital arrangement. Nina shate. And the problem with the abandoned shate about 7. But it's really much under our institute. Yomshado. And there was someone about it funa ukubizwa ngegama lakho sishado. Mara kulowo mshado bayakutshela ukuthi sizoziphila sizogezela ungasabi. Sizoziprovide. Sizozidrive ungatsheli ukuthi senzeni. Mangifike ngo-10 ungangibuza ukuthi ngibuya. As long as ngibizwa ngegama lakho. Masimemezela umthandazo sithi ngothando xa kuyathandaza. I'm expecting people to respond accordingly. Ubona lapho ukuthi asibashadile bona. Mara bafala kule 7. That's why ama-Efesu athi thina nani sishadile thina. And lo mshado angizenzelanga bafethu. It says lo wehlayo uyena owakhuphukayo phezu kwamazulu wonke ukuze abe phezu kwakho konke. And uyena owanikeza abanye. Ukuthi babe abapostoli, abanye babe abaprofeti, abanye babe abavangeli, abanye babe abapasta, abopasta. Awuziyenzeli lento. Sayinikwa. And if you are going to look down at it, you should know that you are looking down at an extension of a pastoral ministry of Jesus. Because we just bekatangazenzeli pastoral. But he's not doing his pastoral ministry because uthembe mina emhlabeni. So nokubanga ukuthi umfuthu drive into yakhe. Wenza into yakhe umfuthu. Kanti siyinikiwe lento. Lo wakhuphukayo uyena owanikeza abanye. Ukuthi ababa apostoli, abanye baba abaprofeti, abanye baba abavangeli, abanye baba abafundisi lento engiyona. So i-arrangement esikuye siyinikiwe. That's why ngikubheka nje ngithi I wonder bayofika bathini baba. Ngoba phela uhambo lwethu alipheleli la. Wathi ekhabela kahle ethi daba. Ayipheleli lapha, iphelela emaphaka uyofika uthini baba. Uyofika uthini manje sofika indandathu ingekho. Because those decided ukuthi uyayifaka noma uyifaki. Uyofika uthini baba. Because arrangement yami nawe yomshado phela. And unfortunately emshadweni siphila kanje ri. Vela isikhathi asikho.
First Corinthians chapter 17:4. There is a difference also between a wife and a virgin.
So kunamahluko phakathi komfazi nevirgin. So kunabantu abayithi khona intombi eshadile nentombi engashadanga la. Intombi ezimbili lezi. Khona intombi eshadile nentombi engashadanga. Sithi iBhayibheli kunomehluko. And umehluko phakathi kwabo ukuthi la omunye eshadile. Funda.
The unmarried woman cares for the things of the Lord.
Lo ongashadanga mathi unmarried woman khuluma ngomfazi ongashadanga ongasubmithanga ndawo. Lithi unakekelo kwenkosi. That's why sinokubuza thina sithi njengoba ungashadanga nje wayofika late esontweni ngoba ushadanga. Unakekelo kwenkosi phela. Ufika late, wayofika late. Awushadanga mse. Awuthi ukuthi ugijima nama-tracks and wenza breakfast in bed. Why ufika late? Ufika late ngoba ushadanga. Inkinga yakho ukuthi ufuna ukunakekela ezinye izinto eziningi. Wena ushadanga unakekela okwenkosi, wena awushadanga unakekela uhlukile kulo shadile unakekela okwenkosi. Funda.
That she may be holy both in the body and in the spirit.
Sebenzi wakho ukuba holy both in the body and in the spirit. Funda.
But she that is married
Bese ithi kodwa lo shadile. Funda baba.
cares for the things of the world.
Number 1 funa ukucheck ukuthi emhlabeni yini ekhona ekumele inakekele. So that what?
How she may please her husband.
Sicela ukuthi ungasizeli ngezulu uma ushadile. Mawuzazi ukuthi ushadile. Cabanga ukuthi izinto zasemhlabeni ozenzayo ezokubonelela ukuthi ungumthusa kanjani lo mshadile. Sinama project eswara nayo. Izinto zasemhlabeni. Sichange ama arrangements. Sichintsha ukuhlala, sichintsha amadeko, sifaka ama ceiling. Siba worried about izinto zasemhlabeni. And mawubona ukuthi kunzima ukuba worried about izinto zasemhlabeni, phuma kulowo mshado. Phuma kulowo mshado. Lapha kamakudliwa amathangi zithi ngimtshele. Ngene lapha kami ngithi shikaraba baba ya. Mangena kami kufuneka ngiphathe izinkwa because kami semshadweni. Akudliwa amathangi. Ungazongitshela ngendaba zokuthi akudliwa amathangi mhlamba bokhayelo bangadla amathangi. Ngizawushakariba from 6 o'clock ekuseni to 6 o'clock ntambama ngithi shikaraba baba. Mara as long as ngisemhlabeni funeka ngenze sure ukuthi ngingena ngiphethe amaplastic. Because ngisemshadweni. Lesipho basithenge spa abantu basezweni funeka ngisithenge spa for kami. Kahle yani nifundiswa ubani nina? Kahle nifundiswa ubani kuku? Lapho practice sengenza wathathaphi kuku? Abafethu ngiyanishumeza usho nina? Nginishumeza into esound kabi. You are supposed to be a 6 o'clock church you. At times I drive, come here, ngilandela abantwana abancane laba bangapha laba ngapha. Mina ngicela ufake ibhandi laba. Nginokudrayiva ngiza so bathole basithola la endlini. Ngiza la esonto noma 11 basithola nje beze so. The people that were supposed to have been in 6 o'clock church. Mina baba, I'm not saying these things out of a pompous heart or pride. I put my time into what I come to give you. I put my time. I wake up at 1 and make sure that I put in time into it so that I give you serious content. But unfortunately, shutting abantu shutting up is those 7 women. But in a marital arrangement. La siyalungisa semhlabeni la siyalungisa. Emhlabeni siyazi abahambi ngokukholwa, bahamba ngani? Ngokubona. So senza sure ukuthi siyalungisa la. Mama Ketchana has been on my case. Mfundisi wami mezela ukuthi kuzoba ne-soup kitchen kenza kanani because isemhlabeni. Abantu bangabe bathi bandla li-hospitable funeka babone abezwa vile babone bagijime beze labazi ukuthi Wednesday ngo-5 o'clock kuyadliwa, Wednesday ngo-3 kuyadliwa la kuyaphekwa la kuyaphakwa because siphila kwi-marital arrangement and because of that izwe lapha ngaphandle funeka libone. That's why izwe malingena lathini la bakuzwa mawuthi shakaraba yithi esirelate ngoba sijwayele siyayazi. But apha ngaphandle abayizwa. That's why uqeda ukuyisho kumele banikeze interpretation. Because ukuyisho kwakho lithi iBhayibheli uthi phela ngachazi akubasizi ngalutho. Uma uqeda ukuthi shikaraba baba angeke baze basho nokuthi amen ngoba bayazi lento esho. Kodwa uma ungabanikeza interpretation yonke boyisho bazothola i-conviction in their spirit and repentance is given. I-problem isuka in-marital arrangement. But abantu baziphila noma ngabe ubani, noma ngabe yini. So, kodwa umfundisi ngeke akunqabe cabanga. Ngeke akunqabe lo mfundisi la. yimi engikushadisayo namhlanje uthulile kuzobe kume mina in front of your coffin khuluma mina sowuthulile wena mara unesibindi sokukhotha abafundisi ongabazi. Yazi kungcono laba abakhothayo abanye baze bayenza into eshiwo abafundisi abangayazi, and bayenza into eshiwo abafundisi abangayazi in contrary to what I say must be done in a marital arrangement. Yiko le bengingafuni ukuthi kube into eshunyayile, bengifuna ukuthi kube yi-engagement. Ngingixoxele yona ukuthi wena mawushadile uhlukile kulo ngashadanga. Mawufuna ukuphila ngathi awushadanga, phuma la ebandleni. Leave the ministry. Go out uyophila ngathi awushadanga. Ungazongixaka la ungikhulumela izinto engingazazi, izinto esingazikhulumi la esontweni. Don't come and do that. If ucabanga ukuthi kungcono eGibhithe, phuma shone ema-apuleni amakhulu aseGibhithe. Sisemshadweni. Mahlaba kusiza akunasikhathi. Funda lamavesi la anginasikhathi. Mhlawumbe ngizocedela next week. I don't have time.
I speak for your own profit. Not I may cast a snare upon you, but for that which is coming, For that which is coming, and that you may be attend upon the Lord without distraction.
Na into ezenza ukuthi ungayiface i-distraction. Abantu baphela endleleni because ababafundisi, abantu abafundisekanga abantu. Abantu, they are getting destroyed right in the middle of the journey because abantu abafundisekanga. And to Paul, this I'm saying it for your benefit, so that you may not experience destruction. We are in a journey. Sisohambeni. Funda hlabasi.
But if any man thinketh that he hath behaved himself uncomely towards his vision, if she pass the flower of the age, and need so require, let him do what he will. He sinneth not, let the man. Nevertheless, he that standeth steadfast in his heart, having no necessity, but a power over his own will, and have so decreed in his heart that he will keep his vision do well.
Read.
So that he that giveth her in marriage doeth well, but he that giveth her in not marriage do bad.
Uthi mamela kungcono ukuthi angashadi, ongashadi wenza kahle. Oshadayo wenza kahle, kodwa ongashadi wenza kangcono. Mamela why? It's because ukushada into enhle, manje unfortunately mawushada eyakho intando ufuneka inqotshwe. Awukwazi kuba semshadweni nentando yakho. Niyangizwa ne? That's why mamela labathandeka. Okay, yeke kungasafundi bahlaba so isha next week. That's why bathandeka ku-critical ukuthi Senulo understand ukuthi so soqhubeka la ufunda khona next week bese siyavala mhlawumbe ngizothatha about 15 minutes and then I'll be done. Ku-critical ukuthi ukukhumbule lokhu futhi ukulobe emuva kwekhanda lakho ukuthi kuhle ukungashadi. Kungcono futhi kakhulu. Ngoba mhlanza ushadayo funeka kufe yakhe intando. Mkhechane isizathu esenza ukuthi kube ne-commotion no-confusion in marital arrangements is because according to Song of Solomon chapter 2 verses number 8, abantu have fallen in love with their lovers. According to Song of Solomon chapter 2 verses number 8, abantu have fallen in love with their lovers. But abantu, according to the book of Esther, they have not fallen in love with their kings. And inkinga yokuthi ungakomi inkosi yakho awungeke ufike kwi-destiny. Umuntu oshade nenkosi kodwa ongaqomanga inkosi yakhe uyakhishwa ebukhosini njengo-Queen Vasti, kuthiwa athi u-Esther afakwe abizwe ngo-Queen Esther, because bona bashadile kodwa inkinga yabo ukuthi they've fallen in love with their lovers. That's the reason why abantu abaningi, sengisho nina abafundisi, nina bomama bala esontweni, abamadadawenu abobaba umfundisi, yenza sure ukuthi udila nawe noma uyayithandazisa lento. Mhlambe ngelinye ilanga sothi uMkhetshane ezela azoyenza le nkonzo bekayenza le yokuthandazela abantwana, kuthandaziswe exactly like he was doing, kuthandaziswa abomamfundisi ukuthi indoda yakho uma isepulpit, don't look at him as your lover. Because sinenkinga yabantu ababheka amadoda wabo epulpit as their lovers, as a result balose into uNkulunkulu ayikhuluma ngabo. Thina sithi sihlezi lapha phansi siza ubuntu kaNkulunkulu, yena abeyazibhekele ulava wakhe. Akhuluma into enamandla eshintsha impilo yabantu lapha kodwa ingayishintshi impilo yefamily yakhe, because umfazi wakhe bekade abukele elava. Inkinga sisemshadweni manje, funa ukuthi nizi-understande lezi zinto lezi. Indoda kaNkulunkulu yehlelwe yinto, mara wena mawubheka ubona indoda owayibonelayo in the inner chambers. Anisi uyamazi ukuthi unjani nangabe engagqokanga. Izinto azishoyo ezishintsha impilo yethu zingayishintshe yakho. That's why you ought to be delivered. If you are not prepared to die, you must never expect to live. Funeka ifi into yakho masingena, because the rearrangement, abantu basizakali sikhulumile namandla engabasiza abantu, because abantu bangaba amadoda kaNkulunkulu egibele epulpit babona ama-lovers wabo. Umangala izinto zisiza abantu kodwa wena zikusizi, because awuzange uyibone indoda kaNkulunkulu ekhona epulpit. uQueen Vasti akazange ayibone inkosi yakhe endodeni yakhe, wabona elava, wehla uNkulunkulu wamsusa wafaka u-Esther. Before long you will be substituted. Uzobhekela endleleni. Isikhathi asikho, lesibawa yethu zimthana.